Hey you guys, if you are here for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. What's up? How you all are doing? Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. So in one of my videos, I think it was what's in my makeup bag, I did this look and I literally loved it. So I thought of recreating today. So in this video, I will be doing this look right here. Super dramatic winged eyeliner and bold lips. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Before you start your makeup, the first thing that you need to do is to prep your skin so that whatever makeup you're gonna put on your face, it glides on smoothly and it doesn't make your skin feel dry, chapped, raw or whatever. So today I'm going to use this moisturizer from Simple. It is their hydrating light moisturizer. I'll just use this to moisturize my face. I'm taking this much. It is very light and it absorbs into the skin very quickly, leaving the skin very hydrated and plummy. Next we are gonna go with a primer, and I'm using this primer from Colorguard. I have used it quite a lot of times. Perfect Match Primer Water Quench Me. It just smoothens out my skin and also makes it a little tacky so that foundation sticks to my face nicely. Here in Delhi, it's winter, it's freaking cold, especially from last 2 days. But I really wanted to recreate my look, so that's why I'm wearing this spaghetti, and I do have sweater with me. In case it feels unbearable, I can wear it. So yeah, time for foundation, and I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius in the shade Warm Sand sculpting and hydrating foundation. I totally agree with the hydration part because it is very dewy and hydrating, and my dry skin just loves hydrating products. I just cannot tolerate any dry product on my skin. I'm going to take this and dot it all over my face. Blending it nicely with this beauty sponge. Today I had a lot of things to do, like seriously I had a lot of things to do. One being editing, and then I had a lot of other things to do. So I just wanted to take a break today from shooting videos because no matter how small video I shoot, I anyway cannot wrap this whole thing before evening, and it's like more than half of my day is gone into a video. So I just wanted to take a break. But then it is really sunny. It is rare during winters, and I just love filming in natural light. So I literally pushed myself into shooting this video. For concealer, I'm using my usual Maybelline Fit Me. I swear by this concealer. Literally, since I have got it, I just cannot use any other concealer. Even if I do, I'm like, should I use my Maybelline Fit Me? Please. Yeah, that much I love this, and I love its applicator as well. Just applying this concealer. That's my Halloween look, guys. Just blending this foundation quickly. Before this creamy base starts creasing, I'm gonna set it. I'm using my usual Fit Me. I'm just feeling that office is gonna open in few months, maybe 2 or 3 months, because we are hearing a lot about vaccines and all in India and as well as in other countries. But let me tell you guys, everybody who used to complain that they don't have time to do certain things in their life, this is the time, because once you start going to office it becomes hectic. You have to wake up on time, you have to maintain a schedule and take shower, get ready, go to the office, and even if you don't have work for 8 hours, you have to be there. And I know a lot of people stay a lot more than 8 hours in the office, and I just feel if you step out, at least in my case, if I step out and even if I don't do anything, I'll get tired. Once I'm home, I'll get tired. I will just feel like having coffee, tea, my dinner, and just sleep, just crash, or maybe do nothing except watching Netflix or something. So this is the time, if there was anything in your life that you wanted to do but you always felt you need more time, then this is the time. You're not gonna get this time. But if there's nothing that you wanted to do and you were very happy with the regular schedule, office and everything, babies, I think offices will get open in 2-3 months. What do you think? What's the case in your place and what you are hearing from other people? Let me know. For me, work from home is a bliss actually, but I just wish this corona goes away so we can do our vacations, we can enjoy, we can move anywhere and can do anything without that mask thing. And I just want to create a lot of content while we are working from home, because we get a lot of time, like seriously, and also we don't get exhausted physically that much. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see how far I go. Okay, to do my eyebrows, I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow cake. Brushing my hair upwards. Next up, I'll be bronzing my face using this Rimmel bronzer. So right now my face is looking very flat after all the base products that I used, and bronzing up just gives that nice sheen, color and structure to your face. I want to go with a light shade of blush because anyway we will be having bold burgundy lips. So the only palette that comes to my mind for subtle blush is this one from Maybelline. I am going to take this first color on my brush and apply it on apples of my cheeks and flick upwards, mixing it with the bronzer. Doing the same until I get the desired pigmentation, the desired flush of this color on my cheeks. A little bit on my nose and chin. Okay, so I really don't know how much you can see on the camera, but right now I have super blushed cheeks. Time for eyeliner, and I'm using Chambord Eye Definer in the shade black. Is there any other fancy name? No, it's 01 black. I'll be just drawing a bold wing. I just hope I don't mess up my eyeliner. Done with my eyeliner, and next I'm gonna go with this brown shade. Name is Brownies. I'm taking it on a flat shader brush. The palette is Makeup Revolution Sofix palette, and I'm just going to apply it to my lower lids. Next I'm taking a black kajal and applying it in my waterline just a bit, like very little. You can hardly see it. And also tight lining my upper lash line. Time for the lashes. I'm not going to use any falsies today, so I'll just make sure that they look super long and fluttery. I'm first curling them using the curler. Now I'm taking this Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. I'll just coat my lashes with the primer first. Next I'm going with this Lash Sensational from Maybelline Mascara. My lashes look beautifully long. Time to do my lips. And today we are going to use this L'Oreal Color Rich Matte in the shade Pure Garnet 263. It's a beautiful burgundy color. Can you see? Oh my god. Okay, so this is creamy in texture and also it is dark bold color, and for such formulation and color you have to use a lip liner, but I don't have any matching lip liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pencil brush and take this lipstick on it, and I'll line my lips with this. Now I'll be applying lipstick. Okay, so I applied my lipstick and I have overlined my lips a bit today, just a bit, not much. Okay, so this lipstick has very creamy texture and it can just bleed and transfer in a second, something which we definitely don't want. So I'm gonna make this lipstick matte so that it can stay there as it is throughout the day. For that I'm just taking my loose powder and a fluffy brush like this. I'm gonna take a powder like this and just tap on my lips like this. It's matte, but the color has lightened a bit, so I'm just gonna coat one more layer. I'm just tapping my lipstick like this. I'm gonna use Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop today. Just taking this beautiful highlighter and applying it to high points of my face. It's literally blinding. And highlighting my inner corners of eyes as well. That's it. I'm just gonna take a quick shower in my L'Oreal makeup setting spray. So this is the finished look, guys. I enjoyed filming this. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also give a big thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.